My name is Jim Piper. I'm the Executive Director of Chemung River Friends in Elmira. And I'm going to tell you about a great way for you and your family to fight cabin fever, enjoy nature, and get some great outdoor exercise by simply cleaning up a river or stream bank near you. Organizing a clean bank was fun and easy for one person, a couple, or a family to improve our environment while enjoying and learning more about nature. Remember to follow social distancing guidelines. You see other people, wave, say hello, and stay at least 6 feet away. Our region is fortunate that we have thousands of miles of rivers and streams for fishing, hiking, boating, and enjoying nature. Most of our drinking water comes out of those streams, but people pollute them and throw trash out. Trash, especially like cigarette butts and small pieces of fabric, can hurt or kill animals that think it is food and they eat it. Wildlife also gets entangled in plastic bags and fishing line and plastic six-pack holders. Then they can't fly, swim, run, or feed themselves, so they die. So it's up to us to keep it clean and to help those animals and to keep our environment safe and beautiful. And don't forget, the litter in your street and your yard blows into the street, goes down the sewers and into the river. Keep your community clean as well. The best way to do a family cleanup, all you need are some work gloves, some large plastic bags, garbage bags, heavy duty work best, and don't use those thin latex gloves because they rip too easily. And if you have one of those handy trash grabbers, bring it with you so you don't have to bend over. Make sure you wear your play clothes and a pair of boots, sneakers, or hard-soled shoes. Protect your feet from any sharp litter. And please stay away from the water. You can slip and fall, it's dangerous, it's not worth going in there if you see any litter. And then while you're doing it, don't forget to notice and enjoy the scenic views of hills, flowing water, the forest, the meadows, the sky. And if you're lucky, you'll see some animals, geese, ducks, ospreys, fish, woodchucks, and maybe even bald eagles. Remember, this is their home. Your house cleaning the mess made by other people. And you're doing it all while you're enjoying nature and getting some exercise. But when you're done and you pile up all the trash, you realize how much you cleaned and how much of a difference you made in helping our environment. And that's an immediate reward in seeing what you've done and knowing you've made our environment and community a better place. The plants and animals are rewarded with a cleaner and safer home. And best of all, you will develop a greater respect and understanding of our environment and the role we all play in protecting it. Everybody and everything is a winner, all because of you. Thank you, be safe, and have fun.